Hello guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video, let us do the unboxing and quick overview of the Pamu Slide Mini TWS earphones. Unboxing the box, here we get the earphones and the charging case. Then we have the small, medium, large ear tips, so you can see the ear tips are in green color. Then we have a USB Type-C charging cable, a user manual booklet. So this is the Pamu Mini charging case. This opens it like this and you can just keep your earphones here inside this. So you have the slot for right and left earphones. Then we have the earphones which look too good. So these earphones are in green color and you can also get other colors from the Pamu's website. So this is how they get fit inside the charging case, and you can just put it and you can just close it so that it will get charged. Back we have the USB Type-C port. From here you can charge the charging case. So as you can see, the red light is blinking, which means it can be connected to your phone. So you can just check out the phone settings, open your Bluetooth options, and you can connect these earphones. So pairing this earphone is quite easy. Here you can see you can just take out the earphones from the case, and then you have to just touch them and you have to go in the Bluetooth section of your smartphone and you can pair the Pamu Slide Mini. So now we're pairing this earphones with our smartphone. Now the earphones are connected and they have 70% battery left. So guys, these earphones fit pretty well to my ears and they're really comfortable too. And you can see these are in green color, which looks quite funky. So guys, we use this earphone for some time and feel that the sound is good enough. We have decent bass levels and also the mids and highs are normal. So we'll be coming with the full review of this earphones very soon on our blog. Link to the same will be in the description. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off, and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.